Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save automatically or use autosave feature to Instagram story save to your gallery. If you feel you want to save your Instagram story to your device, it's very easy. You can tap setting at the top of your screen. Here you can tap on story. You can scroll down here, save story to gallery. Automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. You can turn this on. By default, your save story to gallery is off because of your story will be saved to your archive. Automatically save your story to your archive, so you don't have to save it to your phone. Only you can see your archive. But if you want to back up your story to your phone in your phone, you can turn this on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.